Hello and welcome to my channel. Today, I will teach you the secret of cooking a wonderful dish. This dish is considered very tasty and you want to prepare and eat it every day. To support my work, please like the video and subscribe to my channel. If you are interested in other dishes, leave your thoughts in the comments. So here we go. First, we wash and clean the fish. Products needed for today's meal: 500 grams of fish, 0.3 liters of oil, 100 grams of flour, 2 tangerines, pre-prepared sauce, less salt and spices. I will leave a list of the necessary products in the video description. After cleaning the fish well, add oil to the pot and put it on fire. The oil should be well heated. We divide the fish into pieces. Then mix it well with whole wheat flour and leave it mixed with flour for 5 minutes. Put the fish mixed in flour and left for 5 minutes in the hot oil and cook well for 5 to 10 minutes. In the meantime, sprinkle the necessary salt and spices. After our food is ready, we float it in a bowl. We put the tangerine around. Don't forget to add pre-made sauce. With that, our food is ready. Enjoy your appetite. Do you know how to cook fish? Leave your thoughts in the comments. If you like my videos, click like and subscribe to my channel. Stay healthy and see you in the next videos. Take care of yourself.